In a sunlit kitchen, a curious cat twirls a shopping basket, inspecting colorful produce with whisker-witching focus. With a determined nod, the furred shopper selects basil, carrots, and cream, stacking jars like tiny treasure chests. Back at the counter, the cat chops vegetables with exaggerated precision, paws tapping a rhythm while eyes gleam with mischief. It stirs and folds ingredients, follows a gleeful recipe, and watches a bubbling pot as aromas drift through the room. The final bite brings a proud purr, a toast to tiny triumphs as the cat savors its own culinary triumph.